Did you know that, as per recent studies, by the year 2025, the global AI market is expected to be worth nearly $260 billion? That's a remarkable figure, and one that stands as testament to the rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence. So, what is artificial intelligence? In the simplest of terms, AI is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and even language understanding. In the early days, dating back to the 1950s, AI was nothing more than an ambitious concept. Professors John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky, along with a few others, proposed the idea that every feature of learning or any other feature of intelligence can, in principle, be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. This marked the birth of AI as we know it today. Fast forward to the 1980s. AI started to become a part of everyday life. It was during this period that AI began to be used in systems like medical diagnosis, voice recognition, and even stock trading. The foundation was being laid for AI to become an integral part of our lives. In the 21st century, AI has taken a quantum leap. It's no longer just about machines performing tasks. It now involves machines learning from experience, adjusting to new inputs, and performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. This is what we call machine learning, a subset of AI. Today, AI is everywhere. It's in your smartphones, recommending what to watch next on Netflix, guiding us on the best route home on Google Maps, and even assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases. AI has permeated every facet of our lives, making it easier, more efficient, and more connected. So, what does the future hold for AI? Predictions suggest that AI will continue to advance and integrate even more deeply into our daily lives. It will drive cars, run homes, and even take care of us as we age. The possibilities are endless and fascinating. In summary, the journey of AI has been an astonishing one. From being a mere concept in the 1950s to becoming an integral part of our everyday lives today, the evolution of AI is truly remarkable. The future of AI holds immense potential, and it's safe to say that AI is here to stay, continuing to shape our lives in ways we can't even imagine yet. So, the next time you ask Siri for the weather, remember, you're using a sophisticated piece of technology that has been decades in the making. The world of AI is fascinating, and we're just getting started. Stay tuned for more intriguing insights into the world of technology and innovation.